Hello and welcome. If you're looking for a Linux distro built for gaming in 2025, Nobara, CachyOS, and Bazzite are three top picks. Here's how they stack up in performance, compatibility, and ease of use. CachyOS, which is Arch-based, is praised for its raw performance and responsiveness. Users report 10 to 20% higher FPS compared to Ubuntu or even Nobara in many games, thanks to its bleeding-edge kernel, real-time optimizations, and up-to-date drivers. It feels snappier, especially with NVIDIA GPUs in tests like CS2, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, and etc. However, as an Arch base, updates can sometimes break things for newer users. Nobara, which is Fedora-based, is built with gaming in mind by folks behind Proton GE. It comes pre-configured with gaming tools, drivers, Vulkan support, and fewer setup hassles. If you want something that just works for Windows games via Proton, Nobara is very strong. Users say fewer shader stutters and smoother experience in Proton-wrapped games. Bazzite, also Fedora-based with atomic or immutable builds, leans towards stable, polished console-like gaming experience. It has excellent support out of the box for handheld devices, HDR, VRR, proprietary drivers, and SteamOS style UI. It might lag slightly behind in raw FPS compared to CachyOS in some titles, but it's more stable and less finicky. So which should you pick? If raw FPS and bleeding edge performance matter most, and you don't mind tinkering, go with CachyOS. If you want good performance plus out-of-the-box Proton support and easier setup, Nobara may be your best bet. If you want stability, polished UI, console-like feel, and minimal maintenance, Bazzite is the safe, well-rounded choice. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.